Hey, what's up, YouTube? In this video, we're going to try to make a traditional to-do app. Pretty standard, but we're going to use some brand new features. And this course is for people that want to learn more about React and Apollo, which is GraphQL, an alternative to REST APIs. And yeah, we're going to try to get it wrapped up. They've just come up with a new version that looks like it integrates well with React. And I'm going to be trying it out for the first time. And we're going to set it off with Create React App. So this is the site at apollographql.com and their documentation under the React section. And the getting started, we're going to build a full stack app. So that's going to be a front end with Create React App and then a Node backend using Express. And we're going to do it on VSCode, although you can do it on any editor. I like VSCode. And just a little tidbit, if you hit this down arrow, when you download it, you can get the Insiders Edition, which lets out new updates before the main update comes out. It's updated every month. The main version is, but the Insiders is updated all the time. So that's at code.visualstudio.com. So that's my editor. And I'll show you. There's the normal one, and then there's the Insiders Edition. And I've got it all decked out. I've got a Bash terminal in here, and I'm using, as you'll see, I've got all kinds of settings like winter is coming theme, and different icon themes. You'll see that you can get. It's really cool. You can really extend it with extensions. They have a whole extension store built in that you can really extend the functionality of VS Code. It's really cool. It's more than just a text editor. It's becoming a full-on integrated development environment, which I think is cool. So without any further ado, let's get this party started. Let's see. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go back to the getting started. We're going to get our front end going. You should have Create React App installed on your system. That means you want to go into your terminal and type npm install -g create react app. So you want to run that. I am pretty quick. I already have it installed. And then you want to navigate. You can use ls to see where you are. You can use ls-l to get a better list. Maybe make your terminal a little bigger so you can see what's going on. I like to have a projects directory, so I'm on a Windows machine, so I'm in I have a folder on my desktop for projects, and we'll create a new directory here in the projects directory. So actually to do that, all we have to do is run create react. Actually, we will make a directory because we want to have the server on the outside, so we will make an outer directory. Called to do tutorial. And we'll just cd into that. You can hit tab after typing a couple letters, and it'll automatically finish out. See, like, it won't do it with T because there might be another one there is another one with T in there, but if I put T out, it knows, and you hit tab and it completes it. Now I'm in that directory, and as you can see, there's nothing in there. So within this directory, I am going to run create -react -app space, and I'm going to call that client, which is traditionally what you name your React front end, and then just hit enter. And that's going to take a couple minutes, and it's going to install all the dependencies, um, for React. So meanwhile, over here, I'm going to open the folder I just created, the to-do tutorial, just highlight it and hit select folder. Hopefully I didn't screw that up. Oh, it looks like I did. So what we're going to do is we're going to just run that again. Sorry about that. Create React App client one more time. Still in that same directory, just going to let it run its course this time. I accidentally killed the terminal when I loaded up the new folder. No big deal. No harm, no foul. While this installs, we'll go over and look at some of the documentation for Apollo client. So Apollo client is a way just to get information from your server or anywhere really. Outside servers, you can also make API calls with it. It's an interface between sort of a database or a data layer and your front-end website. And it's an alternative to like a REST API. So like, let's see, let's just see if we can find a free API somewhere here. So here's a good one. Get a random Trump quote / random. So you go to a website quote / random, and you should get some JSON data back. Oh, but this one needs an authentication token. No, it doesn't. Oh, V1. There we go. So I have this JSON tool that formats the JSON for me. So it's serving up JSON from a data structure somewhere. But it's at the, / quote / random, and then it has a different one for, it'd have a different, so here, personalized quote, you have a different route for that. So basically you end up with a ton of different routes for different endpoints. For each piece of information, you need a new specific URL. With Apollo, we have a big data store, and we can pick and choose which pieces we want off of one request, which is the cool part about Apollo client. But you'll see as we get further into the course. And now React is finished installing, which is great. So we'll cd into that directory right now. And we have our React set up over here. And you can run npm start. This is our package JSON. See, I'm really breaking it down. I'm taking this to a beginner level course. See it automatically. This is our package JSON. These are our scripts. So you say npm start, and it's going to run this script for us, which starts up the whole project. And React has awesome documentation, and you can right-click it and open a preview inside of VSCode. And this is actually a website on GitHub. You can link to any of these. And there's tons of documentation to learn more about React and how the scripts work and how everything works. We're not going to get too deep into it, but it did open up my local host 3000. It opened up the website automatically on my default browser, which is Chrome, and here is the default website. So we'll be back in the next video, and we'll see you soon.